science, technology, engineering, and math. They're the new language. We can inspire kids, and they can begin to see the world in a way that would give them a chance to pursue things that they never understood before.
Understanding science, mathematics, allows you to deal with many of the pressing issues that the general populations will have to deal with.
We need problem solvers.
We need to do a much better job educating our students in science, technology, engineering, and math domains.
Employers in our region need a knowledgeable and high-tech workforce, and that's what we plan to deliver.
We have a window of opportunity to do that work.
We need to create the thinkers of tomorrow
and open their eyes, open their ears, open their minds.
It's important to me to share that passion, the thrill of solving a problem that we all can benefit from. That's exciting.
STEM is a project that spans teaching elementary students about basic scientific concepts all the way through to the development of professional scientists and engineers.
Liftoff.